Hello, I'm Ward from River City Event. I'm the audiovisual specialist, here just to talk you through setting up a 2-speaker, 1-microphone system that you may rent from us. We appreciate your business, and here's how you set it up. With your 2-speaker single microphone system, you're going to get a number of elements delivered to your location. 2 speakers, 2 tripod stands for the speakers, we're only showing 1 at the moment, a mixer with its power supply. You'll get 2 adapter cables. You'll get a microphone, an XLR cable for that microphone, as well as additional XLR cables that run from the mixer to the speakers when they're put in place. Just like the realtors say, location, location, location. It's absolutely critical. You want to have these speakers in front of any microphones. This will reduce the amount of feedback and will give you more volume out of the speaker to put into the room. This is your mixer. First thing you want to do is you want to plug the power in. You can always tell that you've got power because the little green power light will light up. If this red light happens to be on, that's okay. Nothing to worry about. It's not going to hurt or affect anything. So we're only going to be using the first strip, or the first channel as it's referred to, and we're going to be plugging the microphone using an XLR cable into the plug at the top of the strip. The other end of the cable will get plugged into the microphone. Next thing we have to do is we have to connect the mixer to the speakers through the output. That requires the use of an adapter cable. On the board, it says main out. This is where we want to plug it into, and as well for the second one for the second speaker. Now that we've got our adapter cables connected to our mains out of our mixer, we need to connect them to the speakers, or the cables that are running to the speakers. Now that we've run our cable from our mixer to our speaker, we have an XLR cable looking for a place to go. A top input is the best. Simply plug it in. You may have to rotate it to get it keyed up. We've run power cable to the speaker, and we're going to plug that into the power input. We want to make sure that the switch that says line microphone is set to line because we're coming from a mixer, we're not coming from a microphone, and that the volume control is set about noon, about 12 o'clock. We can turn the power on by turning this switch to on. We will see that we're getting a flashing green light up that says we've got good power and we're all set to go in this speaker. We're going to do the exact same thing with the second speaker on the other side of the room. To set a microphone up correctly, you're going to want to move your master up to the U or 0 position. You're going to want to set your level, strip level, to the 12 o'clock or U position. And you use this gain control up here to adjust the volume to optimum. So as I take the microphone and I speak into the microphone, I'm going to turn this up slowly, and we'll start to get some audio through the speakers. And I want to go to the point that I just think it's loud, too loud, and back it off just a little bit. And from this point forward, we always control the volume with this knob down at the bottom of the strip. This one is called a pan, left and right. You probably won't touch it. This is an FX, you won't ever use that. And these 3 are EQ buttons. So the top one is for the high frequencies, the mid one is for the mid-tone frequencies, and the bottom one are for the low-end frequencies. You can add sibilants or high frequencies by adjusting this one upward, or take sibilants, high frequencies out by adjusting this one in the opposite direction. The most significant change, as I mentioned, would be in the mid-tones, where as you adjust them, it's going to make a significant difference in the tonal quality that is going out. And also, if you reduce it, it'll reduce the sibilants. One thing to note that sometimes, if you're adjusting and adding top end, you may start to get feedback, so you may have to come back to your gain and just turn it down just a hair to avoid the feedback. Well, you should be proud of yourself. You've done well. You've set 2 speakers up, you've run power to them, you've connected the audio signal to them, you've set a mixer up, you've put an input into it with the microphone, you're all set to go, you've adjusted the microphone to the volumes that you need, you've adjusted the tonal quality, and we're good to go. Have a great event. This is Ward from River City Event saying thank you for renting with us.